Okay, we're going on a quick drive. We have 42,315 miles on the odometer. This car is insane clean inside and out. Got the carbon steering wheel, really, really nice. Alcantara here on the sides. If you see any flickering like this, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Just gonna go on a quick drive here. The alignment's perfect, steering wheel's nice and straight. No issues there. Gonna hit on the brakes. Brakes feel solid. And when you turn like this, your bolsters are power and they actually hug you really tight and then they release, which is really nice. It's just barely getting on it. And of course you do have your paddle shifters. No complaints of drivability, absolutely perfect. Tons of power, really, really fun car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car does not have any PPF on it, but it does have a ton of carbon. You got carbon here, you have them on the vents right there, side mirrors, this lower rocker there, nice little touch of carbon. You've got the spoiler, and then pieces here on that carbon diffuser. All look phenomenal. Date code on the tires on the back, 2023. Date code on the fronts, 2024. Here on this front right wheel, you do have some rash, and there's a little chunk right there, and it looks like it kind of clipped the tire. You can see that. Now, being a gloss black wheel, that's a fairly easy repair. They can kind of sand it down. Now, because that has a pretty good chunk, they'd have to sand it down pretty decent, but then they paint it gloss black, and it would hide it really well. Looking at that wheel, though, overall in great condition. Bright red calipers, looks awesome. Got the Continentals, Extreme Contact Sports. Here on that fender, a couple little rock chips. Like I said, no PPF anywhere on the car. Beautiful carbon piece there. A couple little imperfections, very subtle. A-pillar, nice and clean. Got the carbon on the side mirrors. A couple little rock chips here and there. Now when you look at this gloss black trim, if you get close, you can see the fading and the hard water spots. And that's all the way around. And that's pretty common on these cars. It's pretty subtle though. You do have gloss black vinyl right here, and then on a little strip on the back. I'll show you that in a second. Overall looks good. Got the carbon down the side. The vinyl here, they did a great job on that. All of that looks good. Here on this wheel, I'm not seeing any curb rash. Looking at the quarter panel, if you get in the right lighting, there are some little scuffs right there. See it right there in that light. Just in this area. Doesn't really catch my nail. I can feel them there. They kind of blend in pretty good. The rest of that looks good. I got the really dark window tint. Panoramic roof. This is all glass. No window tint on the front. Making our way up the hood. We have one little rock chip right there. The rest of that looks good. clarity on the lens looks awesome. Now you're gonna see little rock impacts kind of throughout that front end. Of course, not having any PPF. It's pretty subtle still. There's a little bit larger one right there. See that carbon piece on the lower side. It does have some small rock impacts. There's a couple there. It's all very subtle stuff. Here on the underside, it looks good. Some light rash there, which is on the far underside, so you're not going to see any of this. But for the most part, that's in great condition. Very clean front end. Honestly, this is still a perfect candidate to put PPF on it. I know there's a couple little rock chips, but it's pretty subtle. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You are missing the eye, and then you can see the coating on that is kind of peeling off, if you see that. Most of that can wipe off, just a little bit of dirt in there. Side mirror looks good. Little rock chip there. A-pillar looks nice. Very clean. Bumper looks good. That wheel looks really good. Then you have this awesome carbon spoiler. The deck lid, all of that looks good. And this is wrapped gloss black in a vinyl. They did a great job on that. This emblem, you can see it's kind of separating. It's an easy fix with the new emblem though, or some more sticky tape. Look at that carbon here. Black exhaust tips, rear parking sensors. The back of this looks good. Really nothing to report as far as imperfections go that are standing out. All right, looking at this interior, she's a non-smoker, tons of carbon everywhere. It looks really good. Got the Alcantara steering wheel, flat bottom, carbon across the whole dash. Got it all on the trim here. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Upper section of that leather, she's perfect. This all looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. A little bit of wear right there on that edge. Very subtle though. I'm just really trying to pick it apart. That looks good. Got the light on the ground. This is illuminated. You can see how clean the logo is. Carpets look good. Here on that bolster, that's in great condition. A little bit of wear on that inside here. You can see that. Very subtle. Upper side looks good. Got the AMG emblem there. Even that bottom seat, nice and clean. Alcantara looks good. Carbon. Beautiful wheel. Massive screen. That looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches here on that carbon. This is in great condition. A lot of these are all cracked. Very common issue, but that one's perfect. And the armrest looks good. Those all work like they should. Very well taken care of car, you can definitely tell. All right, checking out this door panel. Carbon looks good. You can see the buttons, they're all nice and clean. That looks good. Lower side looks good. A lot of storage in here. Got the light on the ground. That's illuminated. Floor mats look awesome. Here on that bolster, nice and clean. Same here. That's in phenomenal condition. That is a really nice seat. Couple light markings, of course, with that color. It's kind of inevitable. Looks good. Carbon's clean. Got it all across the dash here. Beautiful pattern. Here on the back right door panel, you do have the shades. All that carbon's clean. That leather looks good. Little storage cubby. That trim looks good. Floor mat's nice and clean. Seat backs look good. And then looking at this, bolster looks amazing. Looks like no one really ever sat back here. Got the pockets here. You can see the seat belts kind of go in there flush. A couple light markings. Those work perfect. Here on the back left panel, that works good. The upper section looks perfect. Carbon nice and clean. Same with all of this. Looks really, really nice. That trim is perfect. These look brand new. I don't see any stains or anything like that. Looking at that seat, once again, beautiful. Looks like no one ever sat back here. It is power. That's all clean. Carpets look good. Looking at the weather stripping in here, looks amazing. We're going to scan through the engine bay here. Looks really good. Plastics are all protected and look really nice. All freshly detailed. Really not much to see with all the plastic and protectors in here. The underhood liner is in great condition. You can see how clean that is.